Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Resonant Rise. I'm Illusion like usual. So if you remember at the end of last episode, had a crash and whatever. Well, I got it kind of sorted back out. I updated to the newest beta build of Resonant Rise. It added like another 20 mods. But the downside of it is it broke a lot of things that I had done. So I've been spent well, at least in the last hour, just trying to get things replaced and redone. Basically, anything of the mechanism um, got deleted. So that all this pressurized pipe, all the cable, um, electrical separators. So a lot of things got broken. So I've been spending a long time just trying to fix that. And you can also see on this Elite Cube, remember it says store in MJs. Now it's switched over to RF storage. So anyway, so it's been a little bit frustrating trying to get things sorted back out. The logistical sorter is now broken, and been trying to figure that out too. You can see what's left of in here. So, um, not only that, but I guess well, we deleted the IC2 machines too. Okay. So, not only that, but remember we had lead? Well, not anymore. Silver? Not anymore. Tin? Yeah, we still got some tin. And so copper, tin, lead, silver. What else? We were missing one more up there. I don't remember. But the good thing is that we still have some tin in here as well. So maybe we have still silver in here. So maybe just the configs change, config IDs change. I don't know. So it's kind of a great segue into what I wanted to build next. So I'll just get onto that and work on that this episode. So what I want to build is a digital miner. So it's a really cool machine added by Mechanism. It's a rival product to like a Quarry. So let's make it real quick and let's get it started. That way we can start recovering some of the ores that we lost. All right. So the first thing we need to make. Let me jump over here. I put a lot of things already in AutoCraft. Just hopefully they don't need some of the stuff that I have already. So let me clear out the inventory just a little bit. Got a lot of stuff. And that's where I was working earlier. Okay, so we need a robot first. All right, so atomic core. So let's make an electric chest. All right. That's okay. We could do it just like this. So an electric chest. And there we have that. Okay. Where is the robot? Also, the mechanism has changed a little bit. I guess this is newer build, so you have a few new items that there's absolutely no documentation on that I've found. For instance, sawdust, salt, brine bucket, iron crystals, gold crystals. Those are all new. Friction boots. I mean, these are all new things. There's zero documentation on this that I've found. So, something fun to play with. All right, so we need atomic core. We're gonna need about 3 of those. And energy tablets. We're gonna need 2 of those. Okay, we'll craft them up. Okay, well, Not sure what's going on here. Okay, great. So I'll bring you back. Let me get some of these pieces and parts made. I'm still recovering from the crash. So I'll be back in just a second. All right, I'm back. So I think I got everything crafted up. Always fun, isn't it? All right. I think those were there. Logistical sorters there. Steel casing, Robert, and teleportation. All right, digital miner. Awesome. Do I have a cube in here? I don't. That's okay. So I'm gonna make a couple chests real quick. I'm also noticing that my gameplay seems a little laggy after I've updated too. So definitely have to play around with what's going on. Yeah, I like that having the new mods and everything, but don't like coming back and breaking a couple hours worth of work. So, digital miner. Great modeling on it. Love the way it looks. There you go, a little 360 on there. So, what the digital miner does, here's the GUI, is it can dig and excavate whatever you tell it to without digging huge, massive holes like a quarry does. So, let's go ahead and set this up, and I'm going to set this up so it can run while I start working and sorting out some of the stuff. So I'm kind of doing two things at one time. And I'm going to set it up right up to this big reactor. That's kind of another reason why I wanted to make it. So let me wrench you on real quick. On. Make sure you got power, which you do. Let me turn off any eye. So let me put this chest. So you can see there's a little dot up here and there's a little dot back here. So I'll tell you what those do. And I probably need to change that out to an ender chest, so I'll do that in a second. So let's talk through this. So you can see reset, auto eject. So basically anything the digital miner mines will eject it into the adjacent chest, which is this one right here. Or it can store it in this inventory, which is kind of limited. Silk touch, so you can silk touch anything, or you auto pull. So what this chest up here is for, whatever the auto miner pulls up, it can automatically replace with whatever you specify, dirt, cobble, or whatever. So let's get into this. So let's get into the config. So I want to do or dictionary, and I'm going to do asterisk or asterisk. Save. So you can see right there. So basically, if it's pulling up anything that has or and the or dictionary name. So that'll be your irons, your golds. You can see Ventium, sulfur, Certus, cobalt, more cobalt, rubies. That was apatite. You get the point. So basically, it's going to pull up anything that has or attached to it. And so there's a diamond, our dark diamond. So cool. So you guys kind of get the deal. All right, so we're going to set this for a radius of 32, which is the max size. So basically, it'd be a 64 by 64 box. Minimum, we're going to keep it 0, so that basically your bare bedrock. And it looks like my map got changed too. So where are we at? We're at 48. So basically, we'll do max. We'll do 47. So basically, it's going to dig everything else in a 32 block radius from Y level 0 to Y level 47. Okay, cool. All right, so we have power. Let me go see what we have a lot of. And this got messed up too. Number of items. We'll just put cobble back in. Put cobble back in for now. And set this to auto pull on, auto eject on. So basically eject back to that inventory. And I'll change that out to ender chest so we get sucked right up into our AE network. Silk touch. I don't. Fortune 1 there. And a Fortune 3 there, and looting. Yeah, let's go ahead and do Silk Touch. Silk Touch on. So basically, it'll Silk Touch our diamonds and our ore and our gems and coal. Well, you know, I wanted to Silk Touch some things, but not the other. Well, let's just do Silk Touch off for now. So we're ready, basically. We've got it all configured the way we want it. We have good power. I can make some more speed upgrades, which I can do. Let's do that real quick. I can actually do it from my... See if this is broken. Looks like it. Well, come on. What's going on here? Upgrade. Is it broke? Is the recipe broken? No. Let's just craft them manually. So basically, the speed upgrades are just going to make it dig a little bit quicker, but at the cost of energy. But feel pretty good. We're doing pretty good on energy. So basically, speed upgrades. Where are you? There you are. And we'll take 8 of you. How much gold dust do we have? None. Well, elevator's block's not working. Guess I'll have to sort that out too. After this one, I may not update for a while. Alright. Alright, so we'll let those go. So let's start. So it has... Oh geez. 12,000. Okay. Okay. Well, what are you doing? Oh, I forgot to set this too. Okay, we'll go ahead and start. Start. Idle, not ready. Using 8,000 RF a tick. Well, we're not outputting that much. We'll start. Just leave it alone. Okay, let me figure out what's going on here. Be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I just cussed at this thing a little bit, and it just started working. So I didn't change anything. It didn't do anything. But yeah, just threw some bad words at it, and bammo, starts working. So you can see it's pulling power. You can see a countdown of how many things we have to mine. It's like we're running here to keep this thing going, and I'm quickly going to run out of inventory space. Just fine. But I already found 5 diamonds. So let's check this. Okay, yeah, a little bit of cyanide out. That's fine. Cool. So at least we have this back working again, and I guess I need to switch to a ender chest and get that started to import into the network, which I should have all the resources at the ready. Make a quick chest. I'm really not sure what happened, why it didn't start working right off the bat, but I walked away for a second and came right back and saw a little message on there saying that it was working, so cool. So let's throw this back in here. Let's see, I got an axe on me. Alright. So we'll just put that there. I'm probably going to have to upgrade that import bus now. That's okay. Yeah, it's a little bit slow. I mean, it's just a basic. Cool. So basically this reactor is keeping this digital miner going. But it says it's got a lot to go. That makes me nervous. I got a piece of cobble in there. Oh well, we already ran out of that cobble. Just leave big holes down underneath there. Yeah, I like that. So basically this is a lot more, a better discrete way of doing the mining and not have to tear up huge landscapes, especially for me that, like in the quarry we have out there, I was void piping the cobblestone and dirt, cobble, gravel. I was all voiding that anyway because I don't want it in the network, just to take up space. But now we have some ender pearls, so I may make some deep storage units to start storing that. Not sure, but I like the way this is working. And it's just, I can just leave this alone. It's already chunk loaded. Don't have to worry about doing anything special. Just got to upgrade this storage bus. That's the only thing I need to do. And all the ores should be picked up. So it should last me on resources for a good little while. And it's going to slowly fill this chest up. And once I can get this thing back up and going, then we'll start working. So like I'm showing you right there. See, got a filter dark aqua for copper. And then this is not even running. I don't even understand why this isn't even running. So yeah, looks like I got some sorting out to do. unless the machine changed. Purification chamber. So we use oxygen or flint. This is a purifying machine. I have oxygen in there, but no work. Checked on, got a purple. This is the purple. I don't know. So I got some work to do with this, but I definitely wanted to show you the digital miner. That way we can start recovering some of the resources that I lost, and I can spend some time in here and rewiring this and repiping that. So this could be a kind of a pain. So cool. See how you're doing. Just go jump back upstairs and let me upgrade. Probably need to make some more disk space. What are you doing, Enderman? Sucks that my elevator doesn't work. Let's see if... Nope, those aren't broken. We got 102 diamonds now. Let's see if I can get another 4K. 4K. Yeah, let's do 4K for now. Currently crafting. Wow, this thing is like super broken. Yeah, there's silicon in there. Wow, what a pain. So anyway, so let me finish working on here and see what we can do for the rest of the episode. I might actually call it end of episode, just keep it a short one because things are... Aha. You have no power. You have no power. Well, was I a total noob and didn't even finish wiring up the power? Okay. Universal. Yeah, okay, cool. Now how am I going to get out of here? Okay, now I can get out. Toss you back in there. Okay. So let's put you guys through. Just hang on a second. I'll throw that back in the interface to cycle back through. Alrighty. Always Enderman down here. And zombies. Okay, so let's get one processor for that. And did it make the 4K? Yes, it did. Okay, cool. So let me do this right here while I'm thinking about it. Turn this into a precision. Oh. All right, put this back. Rotate it to the right spot. And stacks at a time, please. There we go. That should be quickly emptying that. And I'll pop this 4K storage back in here. So we have good there. Okay, so I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. So I decided what I'm going to finish up the episode with. let's see. We're gonna, let me break this real quick because I don't want it to cycle back on, because I want to add something in there and I want to show you something pretty cool. So that's using 25%, so that won't take long to go down. So we're going to use the cyanide reprocessor. So take that block down. So gotta have water. Okay. Well, I'll just get it wired up and then I'll throw away an aqueous accumulator down there. So I want to drain all the way out of power, which it has. And okay, this. Okay, let's see if I can do this without getting teleported. All right. Well, didn't go as well as I thought it was going to, but at least I didn't get teleported to some unknown place. Okay, multi-block reformed. Didn't lose any liquid ender. All right, cool. I'm gonna stick a U here. So I want to show you something. So you remember the last episode, before I updated, remember this thing was outputting about 4,000, 4,400, 4,300, somewhere in that range after stabilized out. So, see what it does now. Well, there's 10,000. There's 11. So, I'm unsure if the config's changed again for the spinning reactors. I haven't touched anything at all. So, my same setup is now basically putting out twice as much RF. But, you know, that may be not as good as it sounds because the power demands may be twice as much for all the machines. I don't know, but I just wanted to show you something. So this update has really changed quite a few things with what I've been trying to do. So let's finish getting this hooked up and we'll call it good at the end of the episode. So basically the cyanide is going to come out here, going to get processed. And this is going to be the red side. This is going to be the green. And then I'll have to get a aqueous accumulator to supply that with water. So if I do waste auto eject, we should be ejecting out there. If I wrench it right. Maybe. Okay, let's try putting a servo in. Yeah, I'm definitely getting a little more increased lag with this new pack. There we go. So just toss a servo in, should come into this red slot. All right. And this one I will also toss another servo in and get that one set up to automatically pull once it's been processed through. So cool. I like it. So we got a new toy to play with. Start recovering from a pack and pack change and everything. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that other good stuff that I say at the end of the videos. See ya.